What if losing a tooth was not permanent? Right now, somewhere in Japan, a group of patients are sitting in a clinical trial chair, and they are not getting implants. They are not getting dentures. They are not getting anything drilled into their jaw. They are being given a single injection. And if the science holds up, a brand new tooth will grow back in its place. I am not talking about some sci-fi fantasy. I am talking about a real drug in real human trials, right now, with a target launch date of 2030. Welcome back to Dental Miracle. Today, we go inside the most important dental breakthrough in a century. Over 2.3 billion people on Earth have tooth decay right now. In the US alone, roughly 178 million people are missing at least one tooth. Option 1, a dental implant. You get a titanium screw drilled into your jawbone. It takes months to heal and costs thousands. Option 2, a bridge or denture. Cheaper, but you are grinding down healthy teeth to anchor it, and it never feels quite real. Both solutions share one massive flaw. They replace teeth, they do not regrow them. But your body clearly knows how to grow teeth. You grew 20 baby teeth as a child, then 32 adult teeth. So why does it stop? Researchers in Japan decided to answer that. Inside your jaw, you have tooth germ cells. Think of them like seeds. Every human is born with a small number of these dormant seeds. Why are they suppressed? Because of a protein called USAG1. It is essentially a biological OFF switch for tooth growth. USAG1 interferes with signals called BMP and WNT. As long as USAG1 is active, those dormant tooth germ cells stay dormant. Now what happens if you turn off the OFF switch? Japanese researchers tested this first in mice, then in ferrets. They developed a monoclonal antibody that targets USAG1 when they injected it into mice missing teeth. The teeth grew back, actual biological, living teeth, with enamel, with roots, with everything a normal tooth needs. The study was published in Nature in 2021. In September 2024, Kitano Hospital in Osaka launched the first ever human clinical trial for this tooth regrowth drug. The initial trial focuses on people with anodontia, a rare condition where they are born missing 6 or more teeth. Patients receive an injection. The drug travels through the bloodstream, finds the dormant cells, and blocks the USAG1 protein. With that suppression lifted, the body's own growth signals start doing their job. Researchers monitor patients using regular exercise. Is the drug safe? Does it affect anything else? The projected timeline is Phase 1 in 2024, leading to a 2030 market launch. Drug trials fail, timelines slip. But here's the difference. This drug already works in multiple animal species with replicated results. It will likely start with congenital cases, then expand to children who lose adult teeth early due to injury. Children are ideal candidates because their germ cells are younger and more active. For adults, the therapy becomes more complex. This isn't just about one tooth. USAG1 also plays roles in bone density. This could lead to a revolution in regenerative medicine. Now let's talk about cost. Monoclonal antibody drugs are typically expensive, but biosimilars eventually enter the market and prices drop. Japan is not alone. In South Korea, a separate team is developing a tooth regeneration patch, a dissolvable membrane. In the US, researchers at USC and Columbia study WNT pathway activation for dental, pulp, and root repair. The body already has the machinery to repair teeth. We just need the right signal to activate it. Dentistry is on the edge of its most significant transformation since the invention of the drill. If this video opened your eyes, hit subscribe. Tell me in the comments, would you try it? This is Dental Miracle. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.